So when you log into Weebly, you're going to click on your site. You're going to go to your site, and this is how we're going to upload something to our Weebly. You can upload it to your blog page. You go to your blog. So on the blog, I will go down and I will create a new blog, a new post. And with this, I will title it My Prezi. You're going to add your Prezi link. So all you're going to do is take your text, add some text, then go to your Prezi and copy the link and paste it in there. It's super easy. So I'm on Prezi. I will take a presentation. Here's the link. I select it, press Control-C to copy it, or you can select and say copy. And then I will go back to Weebly and post it where I told it to edit. So now my blog post shows my Prezi. Then I will hit post. After that, you need to make sure you put your dream house on there, and I will add another blog and say my dream house and add text to add that picture. Copy that text. You can right click and say copy, or you can say Control-C, take it and paste it in there. So now your dream house will be there. And then you hit post to save it. When you are completely finished, you need to say publish. So make sure that everything is published and everyone can see it. So if I was to click here, I can now see what Miley has posted on her Weebly, and it shows her new blog. If I click on her blog, it shows me the two posts that I posted for her of her dream house and her Prezi. This way you all can comment on each other's and leave feedback, so I can comment on it and say something if I would like to. I can leave a reply, put my name and say good looking house and submit it. That is all. If you have any other questions, please do not hesitate to ask Ms. Atkins.